Welcome back. It's another day. It's time to work on game and try to make things get done quickly. Tonight at least, because I don't have a ton of time. Let's take a look at our player. Player has hitbox, hurt boxes, detached hitbox, detached hurt boxes. Those can be done simply just by having them in different locations. What else is there? If we test the scene, we have a terrible ground dash. I should make a sprint. Additionally, the dash works in the air, but not after double jump. Okay, so let's make it so I can dash and double jump separately. Let's go to Input Manager, Dash Handler, Jump Handler. This is the same like one. If dash right, if dash left. Yeah, okay. So if we can air action, I've named it if I can air action jump for some reason. If I delete this, do I get double jump or do I get infinite jumps? I get infinite jumps. Don't do that. Okay. I think it just needs to be replaced with the second variable. Var can air action dash colon bool equals false. Have a separate thing for it. I believe I have a set important variables. Oh, okay. So I'll go to the dash handler. If post dot is encore colon can air dash equals GRUE. Double jump into air dash. Alright, that's the feature that has been done in literally 2 minutes. Or 7 minutes, which is okay. I have this fix me for to fix the dash handler, but I don't remember why exactly. This to do is done. Okay, go back to the input manager, and let's just see. Let's double check the code. Actually, some of the things I need to do was document this stuff. So movement update. This function allows side phase movement based on speed and direction. Okay, this function allows only due to gravity. Allows the player to instantaneously move in at victor, and I need to not destroy everything. To set speed to a victor. Okay. I also want to add a to-do here for use plus equal if the speed is greater than or less than in the same direction. Okay. I don't think that breaks anything. What? Hmm. Dash sets the speed of the player just directly. Well, it's not the same as the jump, which might have a bit more. Hmm. I should put a to-do here. To-do, copy. jump from north 80. Because let's take over the jump vector. Jump. If it's able to jump, if it's not jumping, then slightly shift the player as a workaround to the problem of standing on the floor. So I think the input manager has a thing for that in one spot. Jump handler. I could make an is jumping variable somewhere that isn't the movement component because that seems to just be not working. Well, if that's not working, then what the hell? Let me try this. If this, then indent that and all that. And then in the jump function, cut that out. You can just infinitely jump now. Okay, that's a problem. What? First off, they should be on the floor if I want to do jump again. I really need to fix this so it actually works without a workaround. Because if it works with a workaround, then that affects how the other stuff might work. Let me check when jumping is enabled. Okay, we start the frame timer. We set the value. Then if it's true and the timer stops, then we set the velocity, but we are still on the ground at this point. Let me put this here, and then change nothing else. I can 3 jumps. That's not good. That's not what we're looking for. Here's a question. Is it actually doing that, though? 2, 3. But it is shifting my position. So it gives. Well, this is set to false, which might not be the best time to set it to false. I need to figure out a way to do this frame jump stuff. Today, since it's late, I didn't want to actually start a new part of the project or continue the stun. Yeah, so continuing the stun, I need to fix this thing to work on the attack data. But hey, you can hit something. And soft lock ourselves by crushing yourselves into a wall. That's... Oh, that makes me think I can't just like smack into a wall either. Okay. Let me put a to-do here in the stun manager for make it so I can't crush myself when hitting someone slash can't hit them through a wall. Now the thing about the well, that's still part of the player. The thing about the hurtable player is they don't seem to hit. They don't just seem to go into a wall. Let me do this. That is the wrong hurt box. Like that's the one I can collide with. Because like it doesn't stop against that thing. Let me check the layers on that actually. Testing static body. What's the static body? This is the static body. Let me see your static body layers. Ah, that makes sense. And this thing, its collision layers are wall, ground, wall, ground. Yeah, that makes some sense. It should be detecting walls, players, and layers. And this, I think, should be detecting layers, and then layer 3 is just fake. Okay, and let's see if that's the fix. First off, okay, so now I can move this around. That's interesting. That's actually a thing we wanted at some point. And now you run into a wall and you die in the wall. Okay. So that fixes two problems at once. Epic. I should change the default layer. Entity base, collision. Let me go into the player script and the entity player script as well. This should have the layers 1, 2 enabled in walls 2 players. I don't know what 3 is yet. Might be projectiles later if I need a different layer for that. And then this one should also have the same thing. The script is the same. I don't know what layer 3 is because I haven't given it something. But we fixed a few problems that I didn't even know I needed to fix until now, but we made them work properly. So yeah, bye for now.